To begin, navigate to your store's editor and click on Customize Theme. Once inside the theme editor, look for the Add section option on the left-hand menu. Click on it and scroll to select Countdown Timer 3 from the available section templates. After adding the Countdown Timer section, you'll be able to customize various elements to match your campaign's branding and goals. You can enter promotional text that highlights your ongoing sale or special offer, creating urgency for customers. Next, set the countdown end date to define how long the offer will last. This helps in building anticipation and encouraging quicker conversions. You also have the option to insert a button URL, which can lead users to a specific product page, collection, or any link relevant to the campaign. To maintain a cohesive design, you can select a suitable background color that aligns with your store's aesthetic. Additionally, you can modify the text color for better readability and visual appeal. For the button, you can customize both the button background color and the button text color to make it stand out and encourage clicks. Make sure to preview the section after customizing to ensure everything looks visually appealing and functions as intended. This countdown timer section is a great way to boost engagement and drive conversions through a sense of urgency and limited time offers.